Making Dalgona coffee is easy and requires only a few ingredients. Here's a step-by-step guide. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons instant coffee or espresso powder, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons hot water, 1 cup milk, any kind you prefer. Ice optional. Prepare the coffee mixture. In a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Use a hand mixer, whisk, or stand mixer to beat the mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes. Start on a low speed and gradually increase to high. You'll notice it turning frothy and light brown. Prepare the milk. While the coffee mixture is being beaten, fill a glass with milk. You can use regular milk, plant-based milk, or any milk of your choice. Optionally, add some ice cubes to the milk for a cold drink. Assemble the drink. Once the coffee mixture is whipped and fluffy, spoon it on top of the milk in your glass. The whipped coffee should sit on top of the milk. Mix and enjoy. Stir the whipped coffee into the milk before drinking. You can use a spoon or straw to mix everything together. Enjoy your creamy and frothy Dalgona coffee. This is the traditional way of making Dalgona coffee. You can adjust the sweetness or the intensity of the coffee based on your preference by varying the amount of sugar or coffee.
There are several variations of Dalgona coffee that you can try, each with a unique twist on the traditional recipe. Here are some popular types. Classic Dalgona Coffee. Original Dalgona coffee made with instant coffee, sugar, hot water, and milk. It's a creamy, frothy coffee served over milk with a rich coffee flavor. Iced Dalgona Coffee. Same as the classic version but served over ice. Perfect for hot weather, this version is chilled and refreshing. Hot Dalgona coffee. Instead of serving the whipped coffee on top of cold milk, you can serve it over hot milk. This gives you a warm, creamy drink, ideal for cooler days. Matcha Dalgona Coffee. A variation using matcha powder instead of instant coffee. The matcha is mixed with sugar and hot water to form the frothy topping, creating a green, sweet drink. Chocolate Dalgona Coffee. A chocolate-flavored twist on the classic. Cocoa powder is added to the coffee and sugar mixture, making it a chocolatey, sweet version. Caramel Dalgona Coffee. This version incorporates caramel syrup or caramel sauce mixed into the whipped coffee for a sweet, indulgent caramel flavor. Vegan Dalgona Coffee. Made with plant-based milk such as almond, oat, or coconut milk, and using a plant-based sugar alternative if desired. The whipped coffee is made just like the classic, but it's entirely dairy-free. Honey Dalgona Coffee. Instead of sugar, you can use honey to sweeten the whipped coffee. This adds a natural sweetness and a touch of honey flavor. Tiramisu Dalgona Coffee. Inspired by the famous dessert, this version includes a combination of whipped coffee with a layer of mascarpone cream or whipped cream on top, resembling the layers of a tiramisu. Dalgona Coffee with flavored syrups. Add flavored syrups such as vanilla, hazelnut, or cinnamon to the milk or the whipped coffee mixture to give the drink a unique taste. Dalgona Tea. A non-coffee version where you whip tea like black tea or chai tea with sugar and hot water. This creates a creamy and frothy tea drink similar to the original Dalgona Coffee. These variations allow you to customize Dalgona Coffee based on your flavor preferences and dietary needs. Enjoy experimenting with different ingredients.